Hi folks, thanks for checking in. Today I would like to do a video about sharpening my brand new burnishers. Now, all the videos that I've seen on YouTube, and there's a bunch of good ones, they all require you to have a jig or a vise to keep this at a perfect 90-degree angle. And currently I'm working at a dining room table. I don't have my shop. I don't have a vise. I don't even have a way to make a jig. I'm going to try and sharpen this burnisher so I can use it on my current project without a vise. Let's see what happens. These card scrapers or carpenter scrapers, I've seen them go by a few different names, come from Lee Valley, and they do have some good instructions on how to sharpen them. There you go, cabinet scraper. I'm going to go ahead and try something slightly different because, like I say, I do not have a vise or a way to make a jig. Now the first step is to flatten the face. So we're going to take the diamond stone and hold it with all 8 fingers all spread out along the edge, even pressure, and just move it. And then flip it over, do the other side the same. Do that on the other side as well. Now I want to flatten the edge at a 90-degree angle to the face. And in order to do this, I'm going to use some clamps and a couple of pieces of hardwood oak. Now this might not give me a perfect 90-degree angle, but at least it's going to be consistent. Yet, so I'm going to keep going. And they are brand new burnishers, so that kind of makes sense that it would take a little more work. Now the idea with these is to put your thumbs down near the base and bend ever so slightly towards you on the outer edges and push. Now, you're supposed to get shavings, not sawdust. Now those might not be the best wood shavings in the world, and they might be verging on sawdust a little bit, and I may still have a fair amount of sharpening to go just yet. But I'm kind of impressed with these things. Ooh, that's really nice. and I've only just started. So I'm hoping that these are going to help a lot with finishing on some of the wood carvings where, especially with basswood, sanding tends to leave things looking a little fuzzy, and basswood carvings always look the best when they're just sharp and crisp. So if I can find a way to sharpen these up even better and utilize some of these curved edges, that would work good. So there you go, a rudimentary sharpening job of a cabinet scraper or card scraper without having a shop, a vise, or the proper tools. I've used an old screwdriver shaft as my burnisher. I polished it up with some steel wool first. You need to make sure that this steel is tougher than this steel in order to burnish like that. You can buy burnishers from Lee Valley. They're a little bit expensive and I haven't even tried one yet. I wanted to try these out, and for cottonwood bark you don't even really need them sharpened because cottonwood bark is so soft. But I wanted to give them a try on a hardwood carving I'm working on. I had no other way to sharpen them other than my diamond stone and things I use for my wood carving tools, and no way really to square it up properly. But I seem to have created something here that's sharpened enough at least to get me started, and I look forward to having a shop again someday and getting them done up just right.